Today, we're exploring the largest Pop Mart store we've ever visited, and we're taking you along for the adventure. It's our first day here in Taiwan, and our hotel is located right in the vibrant heart of Ximending. Just a short walk away, you'll stumble upon Taiwan's Pop Mart flagship store, and of course, we couldn't wait to check it out. You can't miss it. The store stands an impressive four-story stall with a vintage movie theater-inspired facade that's both grand and whimsical. An adorable life-size skull panda proudly sits on the terrace, surrounded by dazzling light and a vibrant LED screen showcasing the latest Skull Panda holiday collection, which, lucky for us, just launched today.
We want to skull panda. So I think ang
Teka lang,
diskarte here.
usapan, di ba, we are looking for food. Why are we queuing for Pop Mart?
So, listen. I think yung diskarte here is isa pipila. Then is magsusource ng food. Tapos dito na lang tayo kakain sa pila. I got the good. So this is mushroom. Then popcorn chicken. And let's see.
There's a line at the entrance, but don't worry, it moves quickly, and visitors are allowed in by batches. So let's head inside and see what this flagship store has to offer. As soon as you step inside, you're immediately greeted by vibrant display and the cutest collectibles you can imagine. Every corner feels like a treasure trove, filled with adorable characters and beautiful designs. It's truly a paradise for kids and kids at heart. What set the store apart is how well stocked it is. You'll find all your favorite characters, including popular ones like Skull Panda, KUBO, Hachipupu, Molly, Hockey, and so many more. But the most exciting part awaits on the third floor. This is where you'll find and can purchase highly sought after and hard to find items. As soon as you ascend, you're greeted by a jaw-dropping display featuring 1000% Mega Skullpandas, Space Molly, and Royal Molly. These larger-than-life figures are stunning works of art, and trust me, they're even more mesmerizing in person. You'll also find Mega 400% figures available for purchase, adding even more excitement for collectors. If you're on the hunt for Labubus, you're in luck. This store is an absolute goldmine for them. Unlike other Pop Mart locations we've visited in Manila and Bangkok, this flagship store is consistently well stocked. We came back multiple times during our stay, and every visit there are plenty of Labubus available. Best of all, there are no purchase limits here. Whether you want to buy a piece or an entire set, the choice is yours. Simply download the Line or Facebook Messenger app, and the staff will send you a barcode through Pop Mart's official account, which you'll need to present during checkout. On the fourth floor, you'll discover an exhibit-like space. During our visit, the KUBO line was on display. And I couldn't help but notice, doesn't this character look a lot like my husband? Just look at the intense stare and those detailed tattoos. We spent over an hour here completely losing track of time as we marveled at each intricate display, browsed blind boxes, and admired the endless shelves of merchandise. Now, it's time for the most exciting part, our Pop Mart haul and unboxing. First up, we have this Constellation Hashipupu plush. We are hoping to get our star signs, Sagittarius or Taurus, and lucky us, we got the Sagittarius one. Next, we pick up a Mega Space Molly Series 2 blind box. We are really hoping for one of the black designs.
So why that look on your face, the tears in your eyes? I feel the seed of doubt, but I'm telling no lies.
but instead we got a yellow Care Bear version, which turns out to be a secret edition. Not bad at all.
See your face. Just pick the time and place. So, baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby.
For every international trip we've taken since getting married, we've made it a tradition to collect pins from each country. So naturally, we picked up this adorable Timo pin to add to our collection.
Yeah, I love you, baby.
We are hoping to get the devil, but we got the magician, which is equally as cute. Just look at his little grumpy face, he's absolutely adorable.
To realize it's a fine line between giving up and to let go. Just let go. No more words.
Lastly, we grabbed a couple of Have a Seat Labubu blind boxes. These are gifts for your friends and family, so we won't be unboxing them.
I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. You keep saying you love me, might be that's just the case. But then how come I look around, of you there's not a trace? It ain't enough for me to spend my time and care. If you're just gonna love me from way back over there. So step it up, step it up, step it up, baby, you'll be gone. You keep saying you want me, well push has come to shove. It's way past time and overdue to show what you're made of. It's nowhere near enough, and I won't hold my breath. But if you come through for me, I'm yours in life and death. So step it up, step it up, step it up, baby, you'll be gone. Yeah. So step it up, step it up.
And that wraps up our Pop Mart flagship store adventure here in Taiwan. From the amazing displays to the endless character selections and the exclusive merchandise, this store was truly a collector's dream come true. But wait, this is only the second part of our Taiwan adventures. If you missed the first part where we provided a step-by-step arrival guide covering everything you need to know, from travel requirements and arrival tips to hotel transfers, make sure to check out our playlist linked below. The journey doesn't stop here. Join us in our upcoming episodes as we explore Taiwan's must-visit landmarks, wander through the bustling night markets, chill at cozy cafes, and shop at some of the city's best destinations. Thank you so much for joining us on this fun-filled adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on the next chapter of our Taiwan trip. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Laurely Shera and at VJ Shera to keep up with our adventures.